Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share with you my latest Chanel handbag collection. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Guys, this video is the most requested video on my channel, so finally I decided to sit down and share with you guys my latest Chanel handbag collection. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Em and this is ThatsLuxe. If you'd love to subscribe, please do so by clicking the red subscribe button down below. Also hit the bell notification so you can be notified of when I upload new videos. Also guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. My hashtag is ThatsLuxeGirl and also my handle is ThatsLuxeGirl. I will leave all the little trinkets right here, and so let's go get started with this video. Guys, I'm feeling a little bit Parisian. Red lips, this little stripe thingamabob. I wanted to just be a little glam for this Chanel handbag update, okay? So I wanted to start with small getting bigger. So let's go ahead and get started with the first handbag. So the very first handbag is this Chanel Walk. This is just in the matte gold leather with the gold hardware, and this is in the 255. This is what it looks like. Next up is this Chanel Walk right here, and this is in the black caviar leather with the gold hardware. Next up is this Chanel Walk in the Timeless collection, and this is in the grained leather in this like orangey, red orange color. This is what it looks like, and this is silver hardware. Next up is this Chanel Beauty, and this is my Chanel Square Mini in the caviar leather with silver hardware, and this has the chevron pattern. Next up is this rectangular mini, and this is in the black lambskin leather with the champagne gold hardware. This is just what she looks like. Next up is this Chanel rectangular mini in the caviar leather with the off-white color with the silver hardware. Next up is one of my very favorite Chanel pieces, and it's this beautiful Chanel Le Boy bag in the small with the goat skin, and it is in the iridescent purple with the iridescent oil slicked hardware. This is one of their unicorn bags. And this is also my most expensive Chanel handbag. Next up is this Chanel Le Boy bag, and this is in the old medium, and this is in the beautiful blue caviar leather with the ruthenium hardware. Next up is this beautiful Le Boy bag, and this is also one of my favorites in my collection, and this is in the black calfskin leather with ruthenium hardware, and this is in the very unique Eiffel Tower quilted pattern. This is just what she looks like. Next up is this Chanel Beauty, and this is my Chanel 255 in the denim with the matte silver hardware, and this was from their spring summer collection last year. This is just what she looks like from the back. This next one is this Chanel PVC bag that was given to me by my mom, and this is just in the clear PVC with the black leather trimming. This is just what it looks like. Next up is this Chanel medium large in the beige CLAIR with the gold hardware, and this is just what it looks like. This is the classic double flap and one of my most elegant and classic pieces. Next Chanel piece is this Gabrielle backpack, and this is in the size small with the black leather, and this is just what she looks like. I actually have enjoyed this bag a few more times last year. Have yet to take her out this year, but nonetheless, this is she. Sticking with the backpack theme, this is my Chanel Urban Spirit backpack, and this is in the size small, and this is in the lambskin leather with silver hardware in this red color. I was asked by a subby what kind of color it is, or like the color code. I'm not really sure, but this one was released a few years ago. I know that for sure, before they even released one with a mini, because now they have a mini version of this, and they also have a larger version of this backpack. So this is the size in between, and I feel like it's the most adorable size in between all the other three. So this is what she looks like, and that's just what the back looks like. Next one is this Chanel Urban Spirit backpack in the chevron pattern, and this is in the calfskin leather with the silver hardware, and it is in black. This is just what she looks like. She is still puffy and brand new looking because I barely have used her. I got her last April, I believe, and this is when I saw my subby Anne Marie. Hi babe, if you're watching. I hope you're doing well. But yeah, I have yet to use this bag to its full potential, but nonetheless I still love it. So that is that for my backpacks. Next Chanel piece is this beauty right here, and this is the Chanel girl bag, and I think this is in the small size. This is in the black lambskin leather with the silver hardware, and the details of this bag is super cute. It looks like a big jacket. This didn't do as well as Chanel hoped it would. I think it was after they released the boy bags, they were like, hey, let's pair it up with a girl bag, but this one didn't do as well. But this was originally from my mom, and she didn't even use it, so she handed that down to me, and of course I gladly accepted, because why not, right? I love this bag, and I feel like it's very edgy and chic, so that is my girl bag. Next Chanel piece is this beauty right here, and this is my Chanel Gabrielle bag in the two-tone medium size, and this is just the beige and the black. This is what she looks like. She is in pristine condition because, as what I've mentioned in my channel, she's not really my favorite. I'm looking for a small black one, but I don't know, the pricing of the Chanel Gabrielle bags have gone up and I can't justify getting one, so that is that. But this is her. She's still beautiful. I still think she's beautiful. I just wish that I used her more. Next up is this Chanel GST, and this is in the black caviar leather with gold hardware, and this was also handed down to me from my mom. The story was I had the petite shopper tote, and I gave that to my cousin, so she said since I gave mine to my cousin, she was gonna give hers to me, so I gained a bigger bag. I really barely use this one too, but I can't seem to part with it because it just reminds me of the time when my mom first started collecting Chanel, and this was one of the very iconic pieces that they had. And with Karl Lagerfeld not being here anymore, I don't even know what the Chanel house would turn into, so I'm just trying to hold on to all my Chanel pieces as much as I can. But this is what she looks like. And last but not the least, you guys, is my holy grail Chanel Jumbo, and this is in the black caviar leather with silver hardware, and this is just what she looks like. She is still in pristine condition because I barely use her too. So if you watch my 5 most hyped Chanel handbags, you know I've talked about this bag and my love-hate relationship with it. So that is her, but this is my last Chanel handbag in my collection. So that is it, you guys. If you don't see the other handbags that I mentioned from my previous collection, they're no longer with me. They've moved on to newer homes that would appreciate them, and they help fund any of the new bags that I have, because I do have a rule of selling a handbag before getting a new one, just because it's more cost effective. And let's be honest, I have like 60 handbags or more. It's really ridiculous, and it's getting to the point where it's kind of last year I bought I think 12 or 13 handbags, and that's a lot for a year. It means that I was buying one, at least one every month, and there was a time where I was buying multiple at a month, and I just feel like it's not very healthy financially. I am at a better place financially, and I want to keep it that way. So that is that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description box down below. And also, if there are any videos linked to any of the pieces that I mentioned, I will also leave that in the description box below. As always, you guys, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for your time and sitting down with me and watching this video. So thank you. As always, I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Namaste. Bye.